Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. Today I'm bringing you math, and we have solve for x, leave your answer in decimal place. So this is a condition: you should leave your answer in decimal place. So let's solve the value of x given that a half times 4 to the power of 2x is equals to 64 to the power of 64. Okay, so I'll begin with a half. This a half, we can write it. So the first step, we can write a half as 2 to the power of -1. It's a half. I'm taking the denominator and the numerator, I'm placing it into negative form. So it will be 2 to the power of 1 times 4. I can write this as 2 to the power of 2 into 2x is equals to, for 64, I can write it as 2 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 6 is 64 into 64. Right? So this is the first step, making the bases to be the same. And 2 here, I've made 2 to be my base. The next step here, according to the law of indices, we can now open this bracket here, or we can multiply the powers. So let me multiply the powers. 2 to the power of -1 times 2 times 2, this is 4x, is equals to 2. 6 times 64, this is 384. So 2 to the power of 384. And here for this case, because my bases are the same and there is a multiplication sign, this is a multiplication sign. According to this law of indices, when their bases are the same and we are multiplying, we can add the powers. I'm going to add these powers. So I will write 2 to the power of 4x plus -1. This is 4x minus -1 is equals to 2 to the power of 384. So my next step, my bases are the same, drop them and equate the powers. 4x minus 1 is equals to 384. 4x is equals to 384 minus plus 1, plus 1. So this becomes positive when it comes to the other side. I want to remain with the value of x, so making x my subject. 4x is equals to 385. I'll divide both sides by 4, so this 4 here will cancel. X is equals to 385 divided by 4. Remember, we've been told here, leave your answer in decimal. So we are not going to leave it in fraction, we are not going to leave it as a whole number, but we're going to leave it in decimal place. So if you use your calculator, 385 divided by 4, this gives me 96.25. So this is the value of x, 96.25.